selling ebooks to like fat women. I found out my purpose and what I want to do in life at the age of 17. And it was not staring at my wall and thinking. I'm rather going to give a step by step plan you can use to find out exactly what are your passions and exactly what you need to do in the future. When I was a child, every single day I saw my dad going to his job, every single time, going in his car, driving. And I realized this was not the life I wanted to live. I could genuinely not see myself doing this every single day. And I'm not meaning to like hate on him. I'm not ungrateful nahi banna cha raha hu. But I'm just telling this is the truth. I genuinely could not see myself doing that. And that's why I chose zoology, because there was freedom. I wanted freedom. Freedom ऐसी चीज़ थी जो मुझे चाहिए थी. And वो job में रह के it was super repulsive. I didn't want to do that. And that's when I found something new. Something that actually resonated with me. Something that actually gave me what I wanted. The most important thing I wanted ever in life was just freedom. And with entrepreneurship, I got this. And I actually want you to understand exactly what you must do and what are your passions so that you can actually have a healthy, happy life. Because I don't want you to live this sad life. I didn't want you to live the average life that most people go to college, go to university, and then they spend their time in a job, and then after 20, 30 years, they realize when they are like 35 or 40 that they just don't want to do this, and then they're in their midlife crisis. That's what they call midlife crisis, don't they? It's such a stupid term. Midlife crisis. There is no midlife crisis. There was a crisis, you just ignored it. That's why it came in your midlife. So we don't want to have the midlife crisis that most people do. So I'll teach you exactly how to find your passion. The first thing I want you to do is analyze your dreams as a kid. जब तुम बच्चे थे, तुम्हारा main dreams क्या था? तुम्हें astronaut बनना था या cook बनना था, whatever. Analyze your dreams. Alright, ऐसे list बना दो जब तुम बच्चे थे, तुमको क्या क्या बनना था. And then find out what is the main reason you wanted to be that. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be some super philosophical चीज़ कि भाई इसको freedom चाहिए था इसलिए. No. Astronaut बना था because मैंने कोई movie देखा. It can be very simple. But just analyze your dreams, because as a child, तुम्हें जो पसंद है इट यूजुअली कैरीज आउट थ्रू आउट योर एडल्टहुड, राइट. जब मैं बच्चा था आई यूज्ड टू रिकॉर्ड वीडियोस लाइक दिस. ऑब्वियसली मैंने यूट्यूब पे डालने, बट आई यूज्ड टू रिकॉर्ड वीडियोस एंड आई न्यू एट दैट टाइम आई लव रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियोस. बट देन मैंने छोड़ दिया एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड इट अगेन एंड आई एम सुपर एन्जॉइंग दिस प्रोसेस. द सेकेंड थिंग इज फाइंड आउट योर पैशन. तुम जब बच्चे थे तुम क्या क्या चीज़ें करते थे? लाइक व्हाट वर योर हॉबीज? डिड यू ड्रॉ? डिड यू सिंग? डिड यू प्ले एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट? डिड यू रीड? वॉट एवर. What are the hobbies that you did as a child? उसको वापस करो. Do those hobbies again. Right now, after this video, go and do those hobbies again and just see how do you actually feel. Do you actually feel happy? Do you actually feel fulfilled? Can you like sit down for hours and do that thing? If not, if you like are telling me, भाई रोहित कुछ है ही नहीं मेरे hobbies, मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं है, मेरे को कुछ hobbies थे ही नहीं. Take a month's time and try out every single thing that comes to your mind. तुम्हें ड्राइंग सीखना है ड्राइंग सीखो. तुम्हें डांसिंग करना है डांसिंग सीखो. तुम्हें एसएमएम स्टार्ट करना करो. लाइक यू वांट टू लर्न मार्केटिंग, वांट टू लर्न ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, कुछ भी करना है. जस्ट मेक श्योर यू ट्राई समथिंग इन 1 month, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट आई डिड एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ 2023. मेरा 10th ग्रेड एग्जाम्स खत्म हो चुका था एंड मेरा से 1 month टाइम था अंटिल आई जॉइंट इंटीग्रेटेड इन 11th. सो 1 month टाइम में मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ट्राई की. मैंने YouTube ट्राई किया, मैंने इंस्टा पेज रन करने का ट्राई किया, मैंने इवन ड्रॉप शिपिंग ट्राई किया. आई ट्राइड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. आई ट्राइड आउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स. मैंने एसएमएम स्टार्ट करने का ट्राई किया. मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने का ट्राई किया. आई डोंट नो शिट अबाउट सॉफ्टवेयर ब्रो. मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी स्टार्ट करने की ट्राई की. सो आई ट्राइड आउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो तुम्हें भी वो 1 month में करना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू ट्राई आउट अ बंच ऑफ थिंग्स that is like related to your hobby. So if you don't have your hobby, just try out different shit. Just do it. Like I specifically remember I was going to make a video on how to start print on demand stores. I didn't run shit. I was trying to run a print on demand store. Then I was like selling ebooks to like fat women. I was literally, I had created a Facebook profile, a website and an ebook to help sell ebooks to fat women, bro. That is exactly what I did. And then I stumbled upon like YouTube and coaching, and that's what I've built with my program Catalyst. A quick pitch: if you're interested in earning money online, like 25,000 rupees, and learn it for free, go and click the first link in the description. Now, if you don't know exactly what you're good at or what your hobbies are, message 10 of your friends right now what you are good at, what they think you're good at. This is very important because usually we tend to look at our bad things, but we want to look at the good things of ourselves. So just message 10 of your friends what are some things that I'm good at, and see the answers that come up, and just you'll be able to analyze yourself better. Now once you have a hobby, once you have that task that you absolutely love to do, for me it's recording videos. I absolutely love to do it. Once you have this task, look for careers in this task. Now this is very important, and it's going to piss off a lot of people, maybe your parents too, but it's a very important step to do. Look for careers in this exact skill. So does your career actually require you to have a degree? Like 100%. Like let's just say you love treating people, like you love to operate on people, you love to operate things, you like to break things and stitch things up. Maybe you can be a doctor, but to be a doctor you need to have a degree, right? It's a necessity. You need to have a degree if you're going to be a doctor. So just analyze the skill that you're super good at or you love to do, and just analyze the careers that are in there, and do you actually desperately need a degree? Because in most cases, if you don't require a degree, there is absolutely no need for you to go to university unless you're being forced to go, right? Unless your career absolutely requires you to have a degree, like a doctor, you're going to have to go. But if it doesn't, like let's just say you love drawing, you love to draw, maybe you can be a graphic designer. You don't need to go to university to be a graphic designer. Honestly, you don't need to go to university to be a graphic designer. You can literally learn it online. You can learn it for yourself and actually be good at it. After you have like an answer in mind कि नहीं भाई मेरे को ऐसा डिग्री की ज़रूरत नहीं, या फिर मेरे को desperately डिग्री लगेगी, answer this question: do you want to do a job? Because unfortunately हमारे वर्ल्ड में ऐसा पॉइंट आ चुका है कि as a child when you like finish your 10th, you then have to decide what you need to do in life when you haven't even tried anything, right? And usually there are only two career paths: job and business. either तुम बाप का बिजनेस चलाओगे या खुद का बनाओगे, नहीं तो तुम जॉब पे लगोगे, राइट? सो आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन ट्रूथफुली. डू यू वांट टू डू अ जॉब? I'm not going to tell here and talk trash to you if you want to do a job. You can do that. That's up to you. But do you actually want to do a job? And this, you might not get the answer right now. So just बैठ के just सोचो ज़रा कि तुम्हें actually जॉब करना है कि नहीं. Don't be under the impression that नहीं पैसा कमाना पड़ेगा तो जॉब अभी लगेगा ना, फिर बाद में business. Shut up. Just shut up. Alright. Just start thinking. Do you actually need? Do you want to do a job? अगर तुम्हें जॉब नहीं करना, देयर आर many other ways you can earn money. Like बहुत सारे different methods है, a lot of exposure है. अभी 2024 में you've got the internet, right? You have so much exposure, you can figure something out. But do you actually want to do a job? Answer this question very truthfully. Now by this point, you should have a passion or a hobby or skill that you love to do. You need to have a decision wherein you need to actually go to university. Is it a necessity? And you should have an answer whether you want to do a job or become self-employed. Once you have these three answers, now comes the most important step of just start. Start doing whatever you love to do. The same thing happened with me. I figured out that YouTube or like recording videos was one of my interest points, right? And I still didn't know what I was good at. So I messaged a bunch of my friends and I asked them like, what are some things that I am good at? What are some things that you would come to me to get advice on? And most of them said that they love to talk about like their problems with me. And then I realized like, yeah, I actually do love helping people with their problems, like I don't mind it. And then they're like, you're really good at YouTube. So I'm like, yeah, sure, that's true. My YouTube pe bhi bahut acha. I'm like good on camera and I love to help people. And so this was one of my skills. Now, do I absolutely and necessarily need a degree? No, that's not the case. It's not a necessity for me to get a degree to do these things, right? And then I was like, I don't want to do a job as well, so I'm going to be self-employed. And then came Catalyst, my program. And then I realized that this is the best thing that I can do. I can make videos and I can help people out. And I'd love to do this. That's how I came about this exact thing that I want to do now. Obviously, you can sit here and say I'm a naive boy and that I don't have any experience, and maybe I don't, right? I'm being humble enough. But this is just exactly what I figured out. And I want you to figure out yourself and just start. Whatever task you need to do, just start doing that. Just start. It's the best decision you can take right now. Alright? Don't be afraid कि parents क्या बोलेंगे. Don't be afraid कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे. कि भाई लोग मेरे क्लास में हैं, वो लोग अगर मेरा YouTube चैनल देखेंगे तो क्या बोले. Forget about that. लोग तो बोलते ही रहेंगे. People will talk shit to you until you reach success, and then they'll be like, oh, how did you do it? All right, remember that. So just start, get yourself in the game, एक step ले लो, just start, and you'll be grateful. Your future self will be grateful for you to start right now. Don't keep it for your future कि भाई नहीं थोड़े महीनों के बाद start करूँगा, अभी busy नहीं. Shut up. Start right now. It's the best decision you can make. And if you want more advanced self-improvement courses and want to earn money online for free, click the first link in the description. It's the best resource I've put there for you. Don't sacrifice your future self for the pleasure today. Peace.